So I'm Aniruddha or Anix. You can refer me either ways. I take care of multiple engineering teams at PhonePe. Broadly, the teams that I take care are on the consumer and payment side. If you look at in the context of an engineer, right, it's a very exciting life for PhonePe engineers broadly, right? Because what we teach PhonePe engineers predominantly is before even you being an engineer, you are a consumer, right? And what sets you apart in terms of working at PhonePe is all of us are sample and representative customers of PhonePe. So essentially, when we started as a PhonePe, right, we were always clear we want to build a two-sided net. One is on the consumer side, second is on the merchant side. As we started walking on this journey sometime in 2022 end, essentially there was also a moment where RBI came and say that all of these sites who are saving credit card debit cards on their own, now we have to move towards the tokenization journey. That means you cannot save credit card debit cards or cards anymore. You have to tokenize this and then use it from there. So that provided an opportunity time for PhonePe or all of us. So yes and no, right? Because again, end of the day, regardless of the domain, right, it is an engineering job. So the classic principles of engineering 101 in terms of keeping the code simple, or KISS as they call it, keep it simple stupid, or build a scalable system, or build a secure system, all of these things stay true regardless of the domain that you're talking. What is specific to fintech is in context of fintech, one, money is a very sensitive topic, right, to most of the customer. While it's not life critical, we are not doctors, right? The second most thing probably after your life or health is wealth and money in that particular context. You taking care of customers' money like your own, or that integrity as a platform that you are building or as a developer is very critical. Beyond that, then there are some fintech specific aspects. So for example, if I'm dealing with card, I need to take care of all the secure coding guidelines. I should be ensuring that I'm not logging card number anywhere, or if it is in context of wallet, I am exchanging the right keys and keeping the data encrypted, so on and so forth, right? So there are specific areas in terms of engineering that also we need to educate engineers. A lot of time we say in Hindi, जो बूंद से गई वो हौद से नहीं आई, right? So it is in the exactly same spirit. It is going to be, you have to spend lot of effort to build that trust and keep on spending even more effort to maintain that trust, because otherwise it will be very tricky for your consumers, end customers or merchant to trust you. So that's where always be more and more safe, and cannot emphasize more on this part. So this is broadly what is different when we are doing interviewing any candidate or trying to look out for a candidate to join the team, right? Is first is we have a fixed set of capabilities that we look out for an engineer. So they are in terms of coding, design principle, scalability of the architecture, right, product thought process, consumer thought process, so on and so forth, right? After that, we also look out for whether the candidate is able to design well. Then there are some of the aspects of being team player. See, I may or may not agree with individuals' opinion, but I definitely want individuals who are opinionated and have a firm reasoning for their opinion. Right? It may be completely opposite to what I am thinking, but essentially, what makes team special and team click is essentially the team of all of these individuals who bring in diverse set of views. It is not just gender, it is not just the type of college, it is all of these views, right, which bring it to the team. When we say what is the DNA, what is the culture, this is the culture. Customer first is the culture, you bringing in your view is the culture, and that is what we look out for. There are several projects that we have worked on and several projects in the pipeline. We broadly look at PG from 3 or 4 dimensions, right? So for example, one dimension is the entire success rate dimension. Second dimension is the entire instrument, the number of instruments that we support, what are the ways that which customers would be able to pay for it, right? The third dimension is the entire ease of integration, the fan out aspect of it, what all ways I would be able to easily integrate, and various value added services that I would be able to. And fourth is the whole reconciliation and settlement bit of it. So that is what we look out for. And every engineer is essentially spending time, effort, money to ensure that we are constantly making progress on these dimensions. The right focus on these dimensions, the right engineering team, the right product, business and marketing support is what make me firmly believe that we have all the fantastic, phenomenal right ingredients to make PhonePe the PG of choice for India. Right? And this belief is what keeps all of us motivated to give our best every day and keep coming to office and work for the betterment of the PG business. That's what we believe.